I heard a rumor, Kim and
What?
Paolo, from my friends here in Los Angeles, now they see you guys working out together in the mornings. What do you guys do in the mornings together?
Nagbe-breakfast sabay. Hindi, joke lang.
What are the workouts like?
Wini-workout namin yung samahan na. Why?
I heard you guys jog together too? Jogging?
Jogging, eh.
I always run especially when I'm abroad because hindi naman lahat ng napagsasayan namin may gym or may ano. So the best and easiest way to work out for me is running. It also fixes my jet lag na medyo ngayon lang naayos. So yun talaga yung ginagawa ko. And of course, Kim runs as well. So every morning niyayaya ko siya. Kung sinong maunang magising sa amin, sabi ko, Kim, gising ka na.
Hala! Tabi!
Tabi pala
Hala,
tayo.
tabi!
Ay, hindi pala. Katok pala yun. Oo, mali pala, mali. Mali pala, katok pala. Kim, gising ka na. Ganun pala yun.
Hala!
I think they just caught you. Kim, gising ka na,
Tatalikod lang,
gising na.
tatalikod.
May bagong headlines bukas. All right, so, what's your response, Kim?
Hala! Nanaginip ba ako nun? Sana hindi na nagising.
All right, guys, don't miss it again on March 26th.